بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. سید امین الحق, منسٹر فار آئی ٹی, مسٹر حسن اقبال, منسٹر فار پلاننگ, محترمہ مریم اورنگزیب صاحبہ, منسٹر فار انفارمیشن, Secretary IT, Government of Pakistan, and Mr. Sanjeet Singh Santokh, Chairman APICTA, Mr. Mohammad Zoeb Khan, Chairman Pasha, government officials, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure to be here at this opening ceremony of PICTA, which is a great honor for Pakistan, for hosting the Asia Pacific ICT Awards for the first time. As Honorable Minister IT has said, and other speakers, without going into repetition, I would say that Pakistan has enormous untapped potential in this field. No doubt that in the last decade or so, our Pakistani entrepreneurs have made great strides to promote IT sector through their individual and collective efforts. And of course, Government of Pakistan has been very proactive to support all these efforts. Today, we have a mark in freelancing around the globe. Offshore IT services is again Pakistan's forte. But then, given our youth potential, as Minister Saab said, that 60% of our population comprised of our youth, and this is a challenge as well as an opportunity. And most definitely, we should convert this into an opportunity. While I was serving as the Chief Servant of Punjab for 10 years, we had promoted IT-led initiatives in a big way in healthcare, in education, in revenue collection, providing laptops to high achievers, and 100,000 of, almost 500,000 laptops were distributed to high achievers around the country, which entailed expenditure of billions of rupees, booklets to students and teachers all over Punjab. So it was, by all accounts, a very good exercise in Punjab, and I know other provinces are also doing their best. But as I said, our potential is huge. Our capacity is infinite. But our total exports, as I speak, is hovering around $2.5 billion. It doesn't reflect our potential. It doesn't reflect Pakistan's wonderful and huge I think, strength we have to enhance this target to billions of dollars annually. I have had the last 6-8 months at least 3-4 meetings how to galvanize our youth and how to enhance our IT sector. And we have arrived at a figure of $5 billion annually, which is absolutely doable. We can do much more, but given our limitations and other impediments, we had capped it at $5 billion annually. In that, I will invite our IT experts, our youth, to come forward and minister IT and minister planning to carve out a plan to achieve these targets, which are easily possible. It's not a big deal. And our entrepreneurs are ready. They have certain problems which need to be addressed. We must address them. And I think this forum will provide huge impetus to our efforts. And Sardar Sahab, you have voted for Pakistan. Thank you very much. We appreciate your efforts and your commitment towards Pakistan. A big hand to him. I would conclude my comments by saying that Pakistan actively solicits and advocates enhanced cooperation and collaboration in the ICT sector with APICTA members. Let's work together and reduce the digital divide amongst our member countries and enhance the growth of ICT industry and technology trade amongst the 16 member APICTA countries. I wish you all a very enjoyable and comfortable stay in Pakistan and request Minister IT to be a very good host. I'm sure you are, and offer your halim and wonderful food to our wonderful guests, and you are very good at that. Bring Karachi cuisine to Islamabad and they will love it. Pakistan Zindabad.